Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting assets ready. Import your video and the music file into Inshot, then trim the video to the approximate final length so you can match audio. Once done, choose Music right arrow tracks and locate either your local song or an Inshot clip. This prevents re-editing later. Make sure you pick the correct aspect ratio for export so music timing aligns with cuts. This first step saves time because audio adjustments become simpler when the clip length is fixed. Next, drag the chosen track onto the timeline and scrub to the exact start point where the mood should hit. Use split-it beats or scene changes to reposition music segments and apply fade and slash out to avoid abrupt starts. This makes transitions sound professional. If you have dialogue, apply the volume or ducking feature so speech remains clear. Lower music by a consistent percentage rather than toggling mute. Make sure to listen through headphones and tweak positions by frames for tight syncing. To finish, preview the entire edit and focus on final timing and levels. Your ears will catch pocketing or overpowering sections. Export with the highest reasonable bitrate so music quality stays intact, then verify audio-video sync on another device. If you see drift or gaps after export, reopen the project, re-import the original audio, and align using frame-accurate nudges. Often one frame shifts fix drift. If crashes occur, clear cache and restart Inshot before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.